Because in early times the study of plant life dealt mainly with plants as food, it became known as botany, from a Greek word meaning herb. The first people to specialize in the study of botany were primitive medicine men and witch doctor. They had to know the plants that could kill or cure people. And botany was closely linked with medicine for hundreds of years. In the 16th century, people began to observe plants and write books about their observations. These writers were the fathers of modern botany. In the 19th century, the work of an English scientist, Charles Darwin, helped botanists gain a better understanding of how plants, as well as animals, evolved from simpler ancestors. His work led botanists to set up special branches of botany. One of these branches is plant anatomy, which has to do with the structure of plants and how they might be related. Experiments on plant heredity were performed to find out how various spices came to be and how they could be improved. This study is called genetics. Ecology, another branch of botany, deals with studies of distribution of plants throughout the world to find out why certain spices grow in certain places. Paleobotany, another branch, works out plant evolution from the evidence of fossil remains. Other branches of good and include plant physiology, which studies the way plants breathe and make food, and plant pathology, which is concerned with the study of plant diseases.